Ever wondered how potato chips are made inside a real factory? Let's take a look at the process.
Today, we're taking you step by step through the entire process. First, identify your goal, gather your resources, and finally, execute your plan.
From fresh potatoes to crispy chips, ready for the package. Now they move to the washing section. Potatoes are washed thoroughly with clean water. Rotating drums help remove dirt and mud. High-pressure water sprays clean every surface. This ensures hygiene before processing. After washing, the potatoes move ahead. Next comes the peeling process. Machines remove the thin outer skin. Steam or abrasive peelers are commonly used in the potato factory. Peels are separated automatically. Now the potatoes are clean and ready. The peeled potatoes enter slicing machines. Sharp blades cut them into thin slices. Uniform thickness ensures even frying. Slices fall into cold water. This removes excess starch. Removing starch improves crispiness. Now comes the most exciting part, frying. Slices enter large industrial fryers. They are cooked in hot vegetable oil. Hot oil, temperature is carefully controlled. Within minutes, they turn golden brown. Moisture evaporates during frying. This creates the crispy texture. The chips move along the fryer belt. Excess oil drains away. In the potato factory, freshly fried chips enter the seasoning drum. Salt or flavor powders are added. The drum rotates to coat evenly. Different flavors are prepared separately. Cheese, barbecue, spicy, and more. Flavor mixing must be precise. Now the chips are ready for packing. In the potato factory, chips move to the packaging section. Chips automated machines weigh exact portions. Chips. Each bag gets the perfect amount. Chips. Each bag's air is replaced with nitrogen gas. Nitrogen keeps chips fresh and crispy. Chips bags are heat sealed instantly. Chips. Each pack gets a printed date. Chips sealed packets move to final inspection. Chips packets. Quality control checks weight and sealing. Chips defective packs are removed automatically. Chips. Random samples are tested for taste. Chips bag hygiene standards are strictly maintained. Finally, chips bag approved packs move to boxing. Chips packets are arranged into cartons. Chips cartons are sealed and labeled. In the potato factory, chips boxes are loaded for distribution. Chips box from factory to stores worldwide.